When fans first met the Slayton sisters on TLC's hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, few could have imagined the scale of transformation that would follow. Tammy and Amy Slayton introduced viewers to their small-town Kentucky lives, their struggles with obesity, and their emotional battles with health, family, and self-image. The show quickly became more than just another reality series, it became a window into a deeply personal journey that resonated with millions. Now, several seasons later, the family's weight loss progress is turning heads in ways that even the most loyal fans never anticipated. And the latest photos have left people stunned. What makes their story even more remarkable is not just the pounds lost, but the courage, resilience, and surprising new chapters each family member has embraced along the way. At the beginning, Amy Slayton was determined to undergo bariatric surgery, and her drive to start a family was a powerful motivator. Viewers saw her navigating doctor visits, strict diet plans, and her emotional struggles. Eventually, Amy achieved her first milestone, qualifying for surgery and losing a significant amount of weight. Her results were not immediate, but when they came, they were life-changing. Amy welcomed her sons, Gage and Glenn, and proved to herself and the audience that her hard work paid off. In the newest photos she has shared, Amy looks radiant, healthier than ever, and most importantly, happy with her role as a mom. Fans note that her slimmer frame, brighter smile, and increased confidence have given her a whole new presence on and off camera. Tammy Slayton's journey was far more complicated, and at times, heartbreaking. In the early seasons, Tammy struggled with mobility, diet, and motivation, and her hospitalizations left fans deeply worried about her future. She faced severe health scares, including being placed in a medically induced coma and requiring tracheotomy surgery. Many doubted she would survive, let alone thrive. But what the latest updates reveal is nothing short of extraordinary. Tammy not only committed to a rehabilitation program, but she also qualified for bariatric surgery after hitting her target weight loss goals in rehab. Her surgery was a turning point, and her newest appearance in public photos shows a woman many hardly recognize. Her face is slimmer, her posture stronger, and her smile wider. She is walking more, relying less on oxygen, and her newfound independence is inspiring both her fans and critics alike. Part of what makes this family's journey so fascinating is the way each sibling has carved out their own path. While Amy and Tammy remain the central figures, their brother Chris Combs has emerged as a fan favorite. His humorous personality and heartfelt support for his sisters made him relatable, but his own weight loss has been jaw-dropping. Chris started out skeptical about surgery and worried about the process, but his determination to improve his health, be there for his wife and kids, and support his sisters pushed him to make changes. Today, Chris has lost a staggering amount of weight and is showing off a healthier, more actively facile photos of him chopping wood, cooking healthier meals, and enjoying outdoor activities have circulated online, reinforcing just how committed he has been. The ripple effect of this transformation has extended beyond the immediate Slayton siblings. Their extended family has also become more conscious of health, and even some of their friends have shared on social media how the sisters' story has inspired them to take control of their own habits. The most surprising element is that what began as a show documenting two sisters' battle with extreme obesity has evolved into a broader narrative about family, perseverance, and collective healing. Critics of the show have often questioned whether reality TV exploits its stars, but in this case, the visibility seems to have provided accountability and a sense of community. Fans constantly cheer them on in the comments, share their own progress photos, and even send healthy recipes. Tammy herself has admitted that knowing people are watching has helped her stay motivated, even when times get hard. For Amy, having the platform has also been a way to celebrate her victories while showing the raw, unfiltered challenges of motherhood and lifestyle changes after surgery. The newest round of photos circulating online sparked waves of reactions. Viewers are calling Tammy unrecognizable and praising Amy for her glow-up. Chris has been hailed as the silent champion of the family's transformation, with fans calling him an inspiration for middle-aged men struggling with similar challenges. In many ways, the images speak louder than words. They show a family that once relied on each other for support in their darkest times now standing tall, healthier, and more confident than ever before. Behind the scenes, sources close to the family suggest that their journey is far from over. Maintaining weight loss after bariatric surgery is notoriously difficult, and both sisters have openly shared their struggles with staying on track. Stress, emotional eating, and life changes continue to pose challenges, but they are tackling them with newfound strategies. Tammy has reportedly joined support groups. Amy is focusing on balanced meals for herself and her children, and Chris is maintaining a consistent exercise routine. These commitments highlight that their story isn't about a quick fix, it's about long-term change. The larger cultural impact of their transformation cannot be ignored. In a society where obesity rates continue to rise, stories like the Slaytons remind viewers that change is possible, even when it feels insurmountable. Their authenticity, their fights, tears, setbacks, and victories, has broken through the polished veneer of many reality shows and given audiences something raw and real. That rawness has become their strength. Fans don't just see before and after pictures, they see a journey, with all its messiness and triumphs. Another dimension to their transformation has been the emotional weight lifted. Tammy, once known for her fiery temper and often combative interactions, seems calmer and more optimistic. She smiles more, jokes with fans, and even shares light-hearted TikTok videos. Amy, once deeply insecure about her looks and future, now posts selfies that radiate confidence. Chris, once doubting himself, now stands as proof that steady progress leads to life-altering results. The photos showcase more than just smaller bodies, they reveal bigger spirits and stronger determination. Industry experts and doctors have commented on how rare and inspiring it is to see such drastic changes in one family unit. Bariatric specialists highlight that support systems are critical for long-term success, and the Slayton story demonstrates exactly that. They pushed each other, challenged each other, and ultimately celebrated together. The latest season teases more details about their ongoing transformations, and fans are already eager to see how they'll continue to grow. It is also worth noting the challenges they still face. Rapid fame has brought public scrutiny, and every misstep is analyzed by viewers. Amy's divorce, Tammy's recovery setbacks, and Chris's busy schedule balancing health with family life have all sparked headlines. Yet, despite these struggles, their resilience keeps them moving forward. The family has openly admitted that their path is imperfect, but imperfection has only made them more relatable. Looking ahead, their story is poised to inspire beyond reality television. Books, speaking engagements, and advocacy roles could be in their future, as fans and professionals alike see them as beacons of hope for anyone battling obesity. Already, their images are being shared across social media as motivational content. Weight loss journeys can often be isolating, but the Slaytons have proven that when a family stands together, the impossible becomes achievable. The journey of the 1000 LB Sisters family has exceeded expectations in nearly every way. From the dark days of hospital visits and tracheotomies to the joyous moments of weddings, births, and newfound independence, they have shown the world that transformation is about more than numbers on a scale. It's about reclaiming health, identity, and joy. Their latest photos are a testament to how far they've come, and they promise a future that is brighter, healthier, and more inspiring than anyone could have predicted. In the end, what truly makes their journey remarkable is not the weight they have lost, but the lives they have gained. The laughter, the love, the resilience, and the renewed sense of purpose shine through every image, every episode, and every update. For the millions watching around the world, the Slayton family is no longer just the 1000 LB Sisters. They are symbols of perseverance, proof that change is possible, and living reminders that even the most difficult battles can lead to extraordinary victories. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.